Cloud computing is a recently evolved technology that allows centralized data storage and online access to computer services or resources. With the new progeCAD 2016 version, you can back up your drawings on cloud, improving productivity by accessing your shared files anywhere at any time. What is more, progeCAD Cloud provides an optimal way of sharing drawings with your team and customers. It helps your team streamline their workflow and increase their effectiveness. Avoid using bulky email attachments. Recover deleted files and roll back to previous file versions. Easily share data among team members. Add new team members and monitor team activities. progeCAD Cloud supports the major cloud services for file sharing and synchronization like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive.